ESP. Today is Wednesday, May 14th.
Please join Ms. Gordon's class for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Shady Brook Promise. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As a Shady Brook student, I promise to be at school on time and to do my very best each day. I promise to be safe. I promise to be respectful. I promise to be responsible. I promise to be a learner.
We reach back into the 80s again today with scattered storms and a 30-inch change of rain.
For lunch today, you may choose between cheeseburger or quesadilla. We would like to wish a happy birthday today to Samarian Collins and Riley Zimmerman. We hope you have a fantastic birthday.
It's also National Receptionist Day. We appreciate Miss Gaudette and all she does for us at Shady Brook.
On this day in 1804, famous explorers Lewis and Clark set off from the Ohio River to find a northwest passage through the United States.
Who likes the chicken dance? Today is the Dance Like a Chicken Day.